Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to access your PC remotely. So here's how it is done. First, open Chrome and search for Google Remote Desktop. Then go to remotedesktop.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. Under Setup Remote Access, click the download button, which will open the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Next, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right. Select Chrome Remote Desktop and click Download again to get the Chrome Remote Desktop. Approve the Windows Security pop-up. Then click Accept and Install. Name your computer, set a PIN, and click Start. If it shows offline, just refresh the page and it should say online. On your phone, go to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop and install the app. Open it, sign in with the same Google account and your computer will appear. Tap it, enter your PIN, and you will be connected. From there, you can rotate your device. Use the mouse controls, open the keyboard, and access more settings through the three-dot menu. And that's it. Now you know how to access your PC remotely. Quick, simple, and perfect for managing your computer from anywhere using Chrome Remote Desktop. You can check files, run programs, or help others with ease. If you found this video helpful, please do share, like, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.